Hello, Herbalist channel family. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of basil. Basil isn't just a fragrant herb for cooking, it's packed with health benefits and healing properties. But what specific health issues can basil help with? How can we use basil in our kitchens? And what are some simple, practical basil recipes you can make at home? If you're curious, stick around to discover the magic of basil for both health and flavor. Let's start by talking about the health benefits of basil. Basil is rich in antioxidants, which protect our cells and act as a shield against free radicals. This means it can help prevent cell damage and slow down signs of aging. Basil also has powerful effects on our immune system. For those who catch colds easily, basil tea or basil-infused recipes can be a great way to boost your immunity. Additionally, basil is known for its benefits to the digestive system. It soothes the stomach, reduces bloating, and helps relieve gas. If you experience indigestion after meals, a cup of basil tea can ease digestion and calm your stomach. Did you know that basil also has calming effects on the mind? Thanks to its relaxing properties, drinking basil tea during stressful times can help lift your mood, and for those who struggle with insomnia, a cup of basil tea in the evening can promote better sleep. So how can we use basil in the kitchen? From salads to meals and even drinks, basil brings a unique flavor to your dishes while benefiting your health. For example, try adding finely chopped fresh basil to a tomato salad. This will give your salad a refreshing taste. Another great way to use basil is in sauces. Blend basil with olive oil and garlic to create a delicious sauce you can use on pasta or sandwiches. You can even add basil to your soup. It pairs especially well with tomato soup, adding an aromatic touch. You can also dry basil for longer shelf life, making it easy to sprinkle into dishes. Now, let's dive into a few simple basil recipes you can try at home. First up, basil tea. Add a few fresh or dried basil leaves to a cup of boiling water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Then strain and enjoy hot or cold. This tea soothes the stomach, reduces stress, and supports your immune system. Next, we have basil lemonade. If you're looking for a refreshing and healthy drink on a hot day, basil lemonade is perfect. Add a handful of fresh basil leaves and the juice of 1 lemon to a pitcher of water. Sweeten with honey if you like, add ice, and enjoy. Not only is this drink cooling, but it also boosts your health. Another tasty recipe is basil pesto. To make pesto, blend basil leaves with olive oil, pine nuts or walnuts, garlic, and a pinch of salt. It's fantastic on pasta or spread on toast. One final recipe you can try is basil vinegar. Simply add a few fresh basil leaves to apple cider vinegar and let it sit for a week. You can use this vinegar in salads or add a few drops to a glass of water for a health boost. Finally, basil also has benefits for skin and hair health. Using basil water or tea as a natural skin cleanser can give your skin a fresh, healthy glow. It can also be used for hair, helping with hair loss and dandruff issues. With these diverse uses, basil can become a staple in both your kitchen and wellness routine. And that's a wrap for today's video. We've explored basil, its health benefits, and ways to use it in the kitchen. If you give these recipes a try, let us know in the comments. At Herbalist channel, we'll keep discovering the natural path to wellness with you. See you in the next video.